Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And while not nearly as exciting as a day as Thursday, still a good, healthy day, and some updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do a little house cleaning and get rid of this line down here. Yes, that still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit of not having 8 million lines all over the place, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. And really the first update, though, is just based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about right around 857 as resistance, but with the price breaking above it earlier on in the day right here, this is where you'd want to see it act as support. And sure enough, check it out on the pullback. This is great real-life examples of charting. Resistance turning into support right there, and then from there the price bounced back up there. So 860, that ideal level of support. I mean, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold above 860, that would be the best case, but by no means am I sitting here saying that if the price falls below 860, the entire chart's ruined. I'm not saying that at all. That's just that preferable area. In regards to levels of resistance, nothing new here. The level that I talked about yesterday still is indeed acting as resistance at 875. A couple times the price slightly got above it, but could never maintain above it. So this is still the level of resistance. Good news is it's not like the price closed really far below it. So on Monday, assuming there's no gap downs or anything, the price doesn't have to travel that great of a distance in order to do battle with it again. So we'll see if the price can push through that. I do want to get one more area of resistance mapped out, though, in the event it can push through. Oh, wow. All right, let's go to another time frame. I didn't realize that the price had not been up this high for quite a while. So let's go to the weekly. There we go. Wow, we're going way back into the chart's history. All right. This is a good problem to have. From the longs perspective, always good when you have to go back this far in the chart's history. So the next key overall level of resistance looks to be right up around $9.15, which is coming from back here in about 2011. So again, like I said, price has not been up this high for quite a while. All in all, though, very, very nice week. So it'll be interesting to see how this all unfolds next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.